So this video today is just a bit about helping you choose your kit for the TyreWatcher X2. So the TyreWatcher X2s are mainly designed for like vehicles that are towing, so vehicles that are towing a caravan or a vehicle that's like towing a trailer, or even some of our customers have like a motorhome towing a trailer with a car on it or something like that, so they use that for that. So potentially you can have up to 12 sensors joined. You can have like 6 on the tow vehicle and 6 on the trailer or the caravan. So it can potentially be up to like 12 sensors in total. So that's a display, like mounts on your dash or windscreen, like solar powered, and does have a charge port here for a cigarette charger that comes in the kit as well. So you've got a few options when choosing your kit. Like one is like the number of sensors you can choose. So for example, if you were a car and a single axle caravan, you would want like 4 small sensors and 2 large sensors. So a 6 sensor kit in total. Or you might want to monitor, the spares are also on the car or the caravan, so you need extra sensors for that. So I like usually like the large sensors here. You can see the difference in like size. The large sensors have better range, so they'll be going on the caravan, and then the small sensors obviously will be going on the car. So that's sort of how you choose your kit, and you can see potentially here in the quick setup guide, it shows you potentially how many sensors you can have. So here's like 12 in total, but depending on how you choose your kit, you might have like 4 on the vehicle and like 4 on the caravan. So that's how you choose your kit, and that's why it says small and large sensors. If you want to run small sensors all around, you can, but you're probably definitely going to need a repeater. And we'll get into the repeater now. So the repeater is just a small box here that has to have power coming to it, and all it does is help boost the range. You might need it, you might not, but it's probably better to have it so you can test it if you do need it. To see if you need it, we always do like a range test, which is in the manual, which pretty much means you just screw off a further sensor and I'll make sure like alarms are like stationary. And then if that's all good, that's fine. And then if you ever drive like along and you notice you get a consistent like 88 showing as a pressure on a sensor, that means it's not receiving a signal. So something's gone wrong there, and if it's like a sensor that's like far away, you will need a repeater. So it's a bit hard to tell because everyone's setup is different. You might have a big heavy toolbox or like a water tank or all sorts of stuff going on that could be blocking that. So this repeater would I normally sit around the back of the car somewhere. It does come with a cigarette plug, so you could plug it into the rear of the car and put it sort of just on the window or wherever you like. So hopefully that sort of explains the kits and what you're like looking at and how to choose your kit from the drop down options. So they're all going to come with what they come with in the kit, but the only extra bit is going to be this, the sensors, how many you need, and small or large, and if you need a repeater. But from now on, all kits with 8 sensors or more will come with a repeater. And if you want a repeater on a smaller one, you can just add that on. There's a link in the product page where you can get the repeater.